Well, I've found some cool little gizmos online. Couldn't resist it, so I've made a purchase. So what these are quick replacements, quick shifts, quick installers for a GoPro. So what you can do is you can use these devices to be able to switch from different mounts like really quickly. Let me show you. There you go, GoPro 10 in standard vlog mode, so handheld and same as usual. Then you want to mount it onto a selfie stick. So here, there we go, now mounted on a selfie stick. So now you want to switch over and you want to go into the car. So again, take it off selfie stick from this mag mount and then take it and turn it like that. So that then just switches between the two. Now I'm going to finish with the car journey. I'm going to go, right, let's have it off of there and back on the selfie stick. Job's a good one. Whoop, whoop. So these things are made by a company called Ulanzi, and I bought a load of their stuff in the past, and along with it you can buy these little sticks as well. So this is an extendable mini tripod. So I'm thinking I quite fancy the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, and I'm thinking if I just get this, I can bang it on the existing one that I've got. Don't even know what version this is. And then I've got a similar functionality. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. So, screw on the bottom, 5/8 mount. Then, how does this work? That's it, quite a bit stiff. There we have miniature tripod. That's pretty cool, man. Let's switch this one out. In fact, I've got a spare screw base. Onto that one. Oh man, that is so much faster. Let's give this a bit of a try then. So we've got a little tripod. On the top you've got this adjustable gimbal as well, which is pretty nifty. Locks off wherever you want, or what angle you need. Quick mount camera. That is awesome. Rapid. Press and record to get the right angle, arm's length. Look at that. It's a massive frame now. You can get that in before now. Before, if I do that, you only get half my arm. But now, whoop! Look at that. It's a tree. Look at the tree. Be amazed by the tree. Yeah, it's a tree. All right. But anyway, that's pretty nifty. I'm chuffed with that. And then also can have it as a. I can just bang it down here, tripod styley. And that it's going to work. Of course, I picked a glamorous location to actually frame this shot up. Yeah, it's right by a wood pile, standing on top of my bin. Kind of shows the point, doesn't it? It's cool. You can stop it anywhere. Put it down, do a bit of a chat to camera job. Easy. And then switch it out for something else. And away you go. Oh, this is flipping awesome. Takes so long to do the fiddly twiddly de-refurking, and then you can just do it in one. That's brilliant. I'm happy with that. Anyway, that's it for now. My name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure. I've just done with surfing. It was absolutely awesome. It was like 2 to 3 foot, loads of people out, but everyone's in a really good mood, and so just like everyone's just chilling and doing party wave after party wave. There's a really nice vibe out there. So I thought on the way back, what I'd like to do is do a bit of a test. So we've got the Ulanzi mount in the car. You are in the car with me now, and on some of the mounts that I've had previously, you get like a load of clicking, knocking, So I've decided I'm not using any lav mic. I'm just going straight into the Media Mod mic and just seeing what sort of sound you get whilst having it in the holder. So it'd be interesting to see what sort of sound you get from it. Who knows? I guess I'll find out from future, Rich. But for now, yeah, man, that was flipping awesome.